and I was a hockey player. So I'm from here. Why am I at Chocolate Lake? Because I love the peacefulness and the community and all my homeboys.
Oh, right. You mean you are the one who born here for Halifax? Yeah. And for me, it's like 2 years I'm here in Halifax, but I see the way people are enjoying life here at the chocolate. Why most of people they are coming here and there are met culture, a lot of people coming here. Is this one good place for Halifax or
Yes, this is a great place for Halifax.
why? Why? What is the reason
Why? The
why?
peacefulness, the
Okay,
quietness. There's no violence,
okay,
and everybody gets along.
okay.
Black, white, Mexican,
All
Asian, doesn't matter the color of your skin.
right. Most of people, we have a lot of people who are listening amazing TV. There are people from Africa, people from European, people from America. They can, they can get a chance if you talk. They can say that. Why most of people they like Canada? What is Canada? What is, which is what are the things which is good? You can tell for a lot of people who are out of Canada. What can entice them to come in Canada?
Canada accepts everybody.
All right,
Canada is the best country in the world.
all right.
I'm a hockey player. I represent Canada.
Oh, okay.
Same as soccer. Like, our soccer team is pretty good. Our women's and men's team.
Yeah, nk'uko bisanzwe ni kuri Amazing TV Show. Nanone tu kuri Chocolate Lake. Uyu munsi twahuriye n'umuvandimwe muramureba kuri kamera za Amazing TV Show. N'umugabo mwiza cyane muramureba yishimiye ko twahuriye nawe. So twamwakiriye rero kadutangiye tunabasuhuza cyane. Turabishimiye cyane nawe n'umuntu waje kurya ubuzima arishimye cyane yahuye n'abavandimwe ariko aravuze ati Amazing TV Show agomba kubahereza ikiganiro. So today we are very happy we meet you here at Chocolate Lake. We as Amazing TV Show, we are very glad to meet you. So just first of all, right, introduce yourself, then we talk.
Sean McPhee from Halifax, Nova Scotia.
All right. Yeah. We meet you here at Chocolate Lake to this beach, and I see you are very happy. And even as we are happy, why you are here?
Why am I here?
Yeah.
I was born here for 51 years in the North End, Halifax, and I was a hockey player. So I'm from here. Why am I at Chocolate Lake? Because I love the peacefulness and the community and all my homeboys.
Oh, right. You mean you are the one who born here for Halifax? Yeah. And for me, it's like 2 years I'm here in Halifax, but I see the way people are enjoying life here at the chocolate. Why most of people they are coming here and there are met culture, a lot of people coming here. Is this one good place for Halifax or
Yes, this is a great place for Halifax.
why? Why? What is the reason
Why?
why?
The peacefulness, the
Okay.
quietness. There's no violence,
Okay,
and everybody gets along.
okay,
Black, white, Mexican, Asian, doesn't matter the color of your skin.
right. Most of people, we have a lot of people who are listening amazing TV. There are people from Africa, people from European, people from America. They can get a chance if you talk. They can say that. Why most of people they like Canada? What is Canada? What is, which is what are the things which is good? You can tell for a lot of people who are out of Canada. What can entice them to come in Canada?
Canada accepts everybody.
All right,
Canada is the best country in the world.
all right.
I'm a hockey player. I represent Canada.
Oh, okay.
Same as soccer. Like, our soccer team is pretty good. Our women's and men's team. And like sports keep kids out of trouble. So athletes, right? And when you play sports, you don't go to jail. You don't break in cars. You don't go to jail and you don't do stupid shit.
You mean when we are talking on soccer? You mean you are a soccer player or?
No, I was a hockey player.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Then right now you still
But
or you left?
but I played soccer.
So,
Not good, but whatever.
but the hockey is more.
Hockey, yeah, I was a hockey player.
Even now,
Boxing,
sure. Not
just
even
sports, all sports,
sure.
swimming, anything to keep somebody out of trouble.
Okay.
And that's what I'm trying to get you, like trying to represent here, that when you're young, you put the kids in sports
Okay.
to keep them out of trouble.
Okay.
And education,
Okay.
that's also very important.
Okay. You mean for us, like for us as fathers, our kids, our children, may put them in the education.
Your family is always first.
Okay.
Family's first.
Okay.
Family is always number one.
Okay.
Number two
Okay.
is your work,
Okay.
your finance, what you make, your cars, your dress.
Okay. Actually, most of people who will listen our video, they may think and they may ask this question: what is the
Why? Because Lucy made Africa special, because it was first human being.
okay?
Lucy.
Okay.
That's what made Africa special.
Okay.
Because in Africa, Lucy was the first human discovered.
Okay.
Lucy. Lucy with diamonds.
Okay.
The Rolling Stones made a song about it
Oh,
in England.
yeah.
It's called Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, Lucy was the first human being on planet Earth in Africa. I'm not sure what part of Africa. I don't want to say this part or that part because I'm not sure. But I know this.
Had you?
And I believe this.
Okay. Had you one
Yeah.
day?
I'm
visit
Roman
Africa?
Catholic.
Had-
My religion, I'm Catholic. Yeah, I believe in God.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe in God. It's Sunday today. I watch church and everything.
Evening.
I
This
go to
Sunday.
church. I watch church.
Okay.
Yeah.
I may invite you to come on Saturday.
I would
every
love
Saturday.
it. I would love to go with
I
you.
will invite you to
I
be
would
with
love
you on
it.
Saturday. Every Saturday.
I love different people cultures.
Yeah. Then I have one question. Why I see you all like the friends, your friends are black man. Is it possible?
What?
I see your friends.
I don't know. It's just it's the color of the skin, and I
Okay.
like them.
Okay, you like them.
I like them.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. I
No.
don't just choose you're black or you're white.
Yeah,
I got white friends, black friends, Asian friends,
yeah,
but
yeah. Yeah, people they have to
it
work.
just happens once in a while. It happens once in a while that,
Yeah.
that I hang around with 5 black guys. So what? Who gives a fuck? Who cares? Right?
Yeah.
They're my buddies. They're my homeboys, right?
Yeah. And
Right?
I may ask you this question.
Sure.
Also. How old are you? I see
I'm
you still
51
young.
years old.
No, don't lie. I may see you like
I'm
in fact.
51, 1974.
And you still strong like that?
Pardon me?
You still strong like that? I may think
No, I lost a lot of weight, but I was a hockey player. I played with the Halifax Mooseheads.
Sure.
Yeah.
Halifax 10?
Here. Yeah, hockey player.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to be.
But right now you can be like coach.
Still. I worked for the Port of Halifax as a longshoreman
Okay.
for 39 years,
Okay.
so I'm retired.
When did you stop the game?
I work on container ships
Okay.
for the Port of Halifax,
Okay.
both piers, and the auto port in Dartmouth.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm very happy to meet you today.
And I
and,
did a lot
I
of
can
different
invite you
things
for
in my
the
life.
next day to me.
So I can write a book about my life, but this has been an interesting interview.
Okay.
I got a little buzz on. I'm sorry.
No worry. Just like for the last
Last question.
yeah.
Let's wrap it up.
Yeah. What can you tell all the people, the fans for Amazing TV, who will gonna take a look on this video?
That come to Canada, come to Halifax, Nova Scotia,
Okay.
and Chocolate Lake is amazing,
Yeah.
and Halifax is amazing,
Okay.
and the people are amazing. The food's amazing. The climate is good. The
Yeah.
temperature,
Yeah.
everything. There's no violence.
Okay.
It's just a great place to come. If you're not from here, go, if you choose anything, go to Halifax, Nova Scotia, and then you can go from there. But
What can you tell? What can you tell for the people? They are fear for the snow. Most of people, they are fear for the snow.
Well, hold on. It snows. It snows in the winter time, and
Yeah.
in the summertime it's beautiful.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
It snows in the wintertime, and in the summertime, it's good. It's nice and sunny, 25 to 30 Celsius. Yeah.
Yeah.
In the wintertime, maybe -10, -20 sometimes. Yeah. That's the climate.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me say many thanks to you for.
Pardon
Yeah,
me,
so-
sir. I'm
yeah.
sorry.
Many thanks to you because you accept my invitation to come on my YouTube channel. Maybe for the next day, I will be happy to meet you again and we do the second interview.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of
Thank
course.
you very much.
Of course.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Thank you. Nyuma yo kuganira n'umuvandimwe rero mbazane n'abandi bavandimwe nabo turashaka batubwire ukuntu bari kubona aha hantu. Ni Amazing TV Show, ntahandi mwabasanga ni kuri Amazing TV Show. My brother, twongeye tubasanze hano kuri Chocolate rero turashaka mutubwire uyu munsi byifashe bite ko tubona aha uyu munsi haryoshye haje abantu benshi.
Twaje ni umunsi mwiza, twari kwitera amazi tukiyogera tukaganira n'inshuti, mu biti haba hari n'umwuka mwiza. Ni ku cyumweru tuvuye gusenga, ubwo rero tuvuye gusenga tukaza tukicara tukaganira n'abashuti. Ejo ni akazi ati
Ariko ubuzima ngo buraryoshye Canada.
ni bwiza, ni bwiza iyo wabupanze urabipanga byose ni ku mibare, ntabwo buryoha iyo wirukanse cyane.
Oya urancalenjinze.
Oya ni gake,
Ni uvuga ngo ni ukugenda gake.
gake. Inzu zirahenda,
Zirahenze ariko amafaranga namwe ngo murayakorera cyane.
arimo niyo mpamvu nkubwira ati ese wishyura miliyoni 2 z'inzu, icyumba kimwe urarya izindi miliyoni z'ibiryo igihumbi, nta kintu cyiza mu ijana, nta kintu. Nuko ukwezi nako kwashira n'igihumbi. Mwati ibintu birahenze,
Ariko icyiza ni uko byose uba wabyishuye kandi ugasigara nta kibazo
ukabibara byose, n'amafaranga uranabika pe,
ukanasevinga.
uranayabika
Canada iraryoshye rero.
pe, ariko nyine urabibara.
Ese nk'ubu ni icyo washishikariza abantu bumva Canada cyangwa Halifax nyirizina? Ni icyo wababwira nk'umuntu umaze Halifax imyaka myinshi, ni icyo wabwira umuntu ushaka kuza muri Canada by'umwihariko Halifax?
Nicyo nababwira uzize ni ukwirinda igikundi, ikigurupe. Niba waje hano kora ibyawe ku giti cyawe, ntuzareke abantu baze ngo ngwino dusohoke, ngwino tugende. Amafaranga uzayamarira mu kabari, uzayamarira mu nzoga. Kora ibyawe ku giti cyawe, niba ushaka kujya kubasura jya ubasura rimwe mu kwezi, rimwe mu kwezi. Nutangira kujya buri munsi kabaye urataha inzara yakwishe amaye inka.
ntabwo byoroshye.
Ntabwo wowe ukora ibyawe ku giti cyawe, niba uje hano imenye n'amafaranga yawe ukorera uyimenyere uyabike. Niba ushaka kuganiriza inshuti zawe rimwe mu kwezi, nta bya buri munsi azashira nyine birahinduka. Wowe imenye uko bagutumye amafaranga yabike, niko bayagutumye nyine yabike.
uvuze akantu keza. Mwimve rero ni umuntu amaze imyaka myinshi abatanze n'inama akatubwira ukuntu ugomba kwitwara ngaha. Uyu munsi rero nawe wabuze ati ndaza kuri ubuzima bwanjye kuri chocolate, ubu nawe uri kuburya rero
ni gake. Si ku cyumweru se nza rimwe mu cyumweru,
rimwe mu cyumweru nta n'igihombo
kuko nanjye mba mfite imirimo, mba mfite kubika. Naratakaje mu minsi ya mbere, ni rimwe gake.
Ubu ni igihe cyo kwisubiraho ukareba ibyo watakaje uburyo wabirekipera,
ubugarure urebe ko ukaniyima ndanayima. Njyewe ndani sacrifice sacrifice
kuvuga ngo rimwe na rimwe nariyima ariko ukagira icyo ushaka kugeraho ukigeraho
mbere bizaza. Noze turi batoya dufite indi myaka 30, 40. Nitubimara turi 30 tuzarya bingahe? Turi 40 gake tuzabifatira iyo hejuru twakuze. Ubu ngubu ni imyaka yo gukoreramo,
ni imyaka yo gukorera amafaranga kabisa,
iyo kuzadukuza.
Iyo ni inama nziza rero. Reka tubwire rero komeza uryoherwe n'ubuzima hano kuri chocolate.
Mugire umunsi mwiza.
Kubutaha namwe muzadutumire nka Amazing tuze dusangire.
Tuzongera tubatumire, abo mwakoze cyane kudutumira.
Yego.
Yes.
Twanabashimiye cyane rero ko mwemeye kutwitaba kuri Amazing TV show. Ubutani tubakenda muzatwitaba.
Tuzongera tubitabe nta.
Muragize neza cyane.
Umunsi mwiza.
Sawa. Leo nakuta hapo ku chocolate. Nilikuwa naongea na rafiki yako, anatuambia gisi Halifax iko na gisi Halifax life iko mzuri sana. Nini naweza ambia watu iko na wanapenda toka Ethiopia na wanapenda kuja hapa Halifax, unaweza waambia nini?
Unaenjoy tu maisha tu, kila mahali unaenda, unaona. Hiyo ndio tunaweza sema, enjoy maisha. Ushukuru Mungu. Na uendelee.
Okay.
Naangalia.
Kwa bamingi wanasemaka Canada ni kukuya kutumika sana, kuwa nitasema nini, kutumikia wengine nini siwezi enda. Unaweza mwambia nini? Mwenyewe tutakufuatilia hapo kwa Amazing TV show.
Si mambo ya Canada, kila mahali unaenda unafaa unachapa kazi. Juu hapo Canada especially, kama una kazi, kama uchapi kazi, utajisaidia aje? Juu kila kitu ni pesa. Angalia.
Ukisema life ya Canada ni pesa. Zinilipokea tu banazile kipele yanko. Ndio natasema.
Hiyo tu.
Sasa watu wataishi hayo sasa. Hayo tu mnaishi hayo. Juu watu wanasema mtu mwenye kwa Canada ni boss. Wanasema ni boss iko na franka na kwa.
Hapana, ni tofauti. Naona maisha. Kila mahali unaenda hakuna shida yao tofauti. Si Canada, unachapa pesa, lakini ile pesa unatumika ni kulipa nyumba, wale chakula kidogo, familia yako poa, unajisaidia kidogo. Hiyo tu.
Unafabi. Niko na kengine niko napenda nikuulize hivi. Watu mingi bakikuona wanasemaka njoo huyu Marcelo, unajua mchezaji wa Real Madrid. Unamjua?
Namjua.
Watu mingi wanasemaka mnafanana. Na wengine wanaweza tusema njoo tunapata hapa Marcelo hapa Halifax. Ni ayetu mnafanana ayetu.
Ni kazi ya Mungu, mimi sijui.
Mimi na wewe najua kama mnafanana na Marcelo.
Ndio Mungu tu.
Unajua siku moja mimi nikuona, siku moja tulikutana. Nilikuwa nadhania ni David Luiz wewe. Unamwona alikuwa anacheza Chelsea.
Okay.
Siku ya kwanza nilikuwa mnakuta leo Malaba mnakutana na David Luiz. Unaniambia semie huyu Lolo kutokea Ethiopia. Nikashangaa naye tulikuwa nasema nilikuwa na bahati mnakuta David Luiz sasa iko.
Okay.